On our channel, we will try to give you as much information as possible about various topics like stories, famous places, biography of birds and animals, and also about some hypothetical situations, due to which you will be entertained as well as your English listening skills can be increased. In each of our videos, we have tried to explain each and everything in detail. If you like our videos or you want to see such videos again, then you must subscribe to our channel and also like and share.